Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you important things about the Breakout prop firm and what are the things that you have to be aware of. So the great thing about Breakout is that it's powered by Kraken, and that's a great thing because I like Kraken a lot. So now when you're gonna you're gonna find here the option for the Classic or Elite. Let's say that you go for 50k. And here you profit share up to 90%, and you can have step 1 goal is 5k, here step 2 2.5k, and daily loss is 4%, here it's 5%, and drawdown is maximum 3k, and here maximum drawdown is 4k. So here you can have also the evaluation fee. So this is something you have to be aware of, that for the Elite it's not so not expensive as the Classic, but still there is something you have to be aware of. So you just pay the evaluation fee, and if you pass, Breakout provides the funded capital. After funding, you keep the 90% of the profit. Payouts are on demand and very flexible. On their side, they claim you can withdraw profits anytime. And there are no forced consistency rules or anti-gambling rules, no profit caps or artificial constraints on trading style. So you have also allowed to trade during news events, hold positions over weekends and nights. And even the use of VPN is allowed. So that's really good. So then when you're gonna go further is that you are not allowed to hedge across multiple accounts or within the same account. No copy trading or third-party signal sharing to pass evaluation. No exploiting pricing errors, latency, arbitrage, or similar abusive tactics. And if you breach your equity limits, the account is permanently closed. So they also don't require you a minimum number of profitable days, no profit cap, and no restriction on trading style. So that's also great. So that's pretty much it for this video. Now Breakout is good company. If you want, you can have a link down below in the description for it. And that's straight up for you. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.